Next up, I have this Bluetooth headset from a company called One More. And so they reached out to me and said, hey, do me a favor and unbox this on your channel. And that's what I'm about to do. So go ahead and open this up. I've actually tested these out. Just want to show you guys what's in here. So actually nice packaging. Here are the headphones themselves. Blue. You have some rubber up here. Very nice and soft ear pads. I actually used these on my recent trip. My 2-year-old was kind of having a hard time on the flight, so we busted out the iPad, hooked these up, and she was set. She was listening to them for a while, so I'm assuming that they were pretty comfortable for her. Otherwise, she would have taken them off. I've actually tried them myself, and I'm pretty impressed. The sound quality, I wasn't expecting very much from these, just because I've never heard of this brand, but the sound quality was actually pretty decent. It wasn't terrible. What else does this come with here? Okay, so what the heck? So these are Bluetooth, but oh cool, you can use them with a 3.5 millimeter cable if you just want to plug them in. That's pretty cool. What else is in here? Okay, so you have a bag. All right, that's cool. A charging cable, USB, some stickers, instructions, and more instructions. Yeah, pretty comfy. If I were to criticize anything, I feel like the clamping force is a little bit tight, but yeah, who knows, it might loosen up after a bit. So thank you One More for sending me these to unbox. I also forgot to mention that they are offering a discount for you guys. If you're interested in these, they're doing 20% off, and use this code here. It expires on November 18th. So with the coupon code, it will reduce the cost to $39.99. That's not bad. Bluetooth headphones? Okay. All right, so thank you One More.